Hey guys, my name is Rose, and this will be an update for the Chinese zodiac signs Project Pan, which is a fantastic ladies collab. So I'm just getting into the products. So first product is the Stilla Stay All Day liquid liner. I used it 5, 6, 7, 8 times, and like, I can get product out of it if I press really hard, but then it makes the line super thick and messy, and I like really thin. Like, I used it today, well, I went over it with a different liner, and that's what I've been doing for like all these 8 times. Like, I've been using it barely working and making it super messy, and then using my other liner to try to fix it. So I think I'm just gonna call this done and call this empty, and because if I need to use 2 products when the other product can do it just fine by itself, then I think I should just call this done. So I'm calling this done. It's just a little mini guy anyway. So, and it was a free gift, so I didn't even pay for it or anything. So yeah, I'm calling that one done. The next is my little one for the tiger, which is empty. As you can see, it's like so empty. Like it was, you can barely see the mark. The mark kind of wore off. Right? It was like right there though. You could see little like dots kind of. And then I used it the rest of the way up. It lay in like this for a while, and I had to like go like this to actually like paint. But I got more uses out of it than I thought I would. So yeah, but it's really nice. It was really nice, bright, fun color, and it's gone now. So hey, I have 2 things so far out of the project. There's one more thing moving out of this project in this update, so that's really exciting. 3 things in one update, so that's really exciting. Next is the other thing that's moving out of this project. Okay, so this is the color tattoo. I used it five times, and this Maybelline color tattoo in Too Cool. I'm wearing it in my inner corners today, and my goal was to hit pan or hit the bottom because this is like a clear glass jar, and I did that. You can see right there. See, that's jar right there. See, it's just a little like thing because I mostly only use this on my inner corners. So like, I was using a pencil brush with it anyways. But yeah. So I hit goal, which when I started this project, I had only used this product, like 3 or 4 times. So that's pretty exciting that I hit like the bottom pretty fast. So yeah, so this is moving out of the project. So that's really exciting. Okay. The next is this, which has not moved actually. Even though I paint my nails with this once, it's still right at that. Like I have to put a flashlight. Like I have to take the cap out and then put a flashlight in it to even see where the line is. But yeah, it hasn't moved even though I only painted my nails with this once because I was mostly wearing this one and then a yellow one that's in a different project. So but I did wear this like once. So I don't know. Hopefully I can get some more progress on it since I'm gonna be mostly focusing on this and that yellow one and maybe the pink one in the other project too. So yeah, there's only one more nail polish in this project and I think I could get it done. So yeah, and then next on my list is my Bliss Jelly Ball face wash. And this is what it looks like now. I mean, it didn't shrink as much as last time. I mean, over here, this side is where it has shrunk the most. I think I was switching sides in the beginning at first. But yeah, I still think that this has a heap ton of product. Like, this will probably last me another 3 or 4 months, at least. Like, I'm trying to use this more, but it's like, yesterday I actually washed my face with it twice. Because yesterday I, had makeup on and I removed it, and I like to use this when I remove my makeup with like a makeup remover, and then I wash my face and then I put that on, and then I went to a pool later that day, So I'm like, I'm done washing the chlorine off my face too. So I actually washed my face yesterday twice with that. So like there was like 2 or 3 times this month I actually washed my face twice. I don't think it was, but I've been using that and the other. I have another face wash and another project and stuff. So I've just kind of been switching back and forth. I'm still mostly using this one. I still mostly want to try to use this one up, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll try to do like only use this one for a month again, and then be like try to make it go down faster. I don't know. I think I could get it done if I really try in like 2 or 3 months. So that would be good. So because it's lasting forever. It's lasting. This little ball lasts forever. Because how I use it is I wet my face and I do circles on my cheeks and then on my forehead, and then I put it back and then I get my hands wet and then rub that bit that I got on my cheeks and forehead all over my face. So I don't really use that much product whenever I do use it, but yeah, because I only use like a little bit. But yeah, so I will go and be done eventually. The next is my Rooster one, which is this Milani red lip gloss, which I'm wearing on top of a lip liner today. I kind of forgot about it this month, to be honest. I've worn it 3 times, and one of those times is including the time I'm wearing it right now. So yeah, I haven't really used it that much this month, but it's like, oh look, you can see emptiness. Oh wow. But yeah, oh, maybe it is getting empty. Look at that. There's holes. Oh, I don't know. I still think this is gonna take forever. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla. It's just a vanilla gloss, but it's really nice. I mean, I normally don't like to wear this with other things. I like to wear it on its own. I'm just trying to get this lip liner gone, so that's why I put it on top of the lip liner. And yeah, so I don't know, maybe next month I'll try to wear it more, but like, I don't know, I'll just try. I don't think I'm gonna get this gone by the end of the project anyways, just because of how thick it is and how like a little bit goes a long way and all that stuff. So I don't know. Let me make that out of the way. And then we only have 2 more products. We have this product, which is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Eye Pencil in Soft Nude. It's like, I'm trying to get to, and there's cat hair on it. Trying to get it to that little circle thing. I mean, it's getting there. I mean, I'm only using it like on my brow bone. I like put on my brow bone and then blend it out, and then it's like, bam. I have used it 10 times this month, which is good. I'm like pretty much using it 10 times every month, which is like, it's like consistent. But yeah, I think I could, like, I'm using it like 10, or like the last 2 months I used it about 15 times. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I'm just making steady progress with this. Like, it's just going slow but steady. But yeah, I don't know how long this will take. It will take wherever it takes, and that's all I have to say about that. And then last but not least is the highlighter, and I've used it 10 times. Right there, 10 right there. And let me show you. And there it is. I feel like every time I use this, it gets closer and closer. And I'm so excited because I haven't, all my highlighters don't have any pan, so it's like it would be my first pan and a highlight. I'm also kind of working on a cream highlight too, so it's up in the air whether it's going to be the cream one first or this one. But one of those will be the first highlighter that I hit pan on, and then soon after will be the other one. So yeah, but as you can see, there's like, I feel like every time I just get closer and closer, and I feel like I'm just eventually just hit pan, and then it's gonna be so exciting. So like, yeah. And then after I do hit pan and roll this out of the project, I'm probably gonna be depotting this. Because I'm gonna be depotting this and another highlighter palette I have. And then putting all those and all my like single highlights and single blushes in that too. So they're all like in one big palette as soon as I get that palette. Because I don't have it yet, but I'm gonna get it. But yeah, I'm gonna be depotting stuff soon. But yeah, that's the last product, and that was for the pig and stuff. So yeah, hope you guys liked it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you guys are doing good. I mean, I moved 3 products out this update, so I feel like that's really good. I only have, I'm like, I don't know how to close things. I've moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products out so far out of 12, so it's over halfway. So I'm just making good progress right now, and that's all I can ask for. I don't know. So bye guys, see you another time.